I wish a bright day to all my champs. Welcome in your English online class. Students, today we are going to do worksheet number 45 and it is related to the topic pronoun. It is given at page number 130. So let's start it. Here we are having select the appropriate pronoun given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. It means we are having so many sentences and we have to choose the correct pronoun. The options are given in the brackets at a side and we have to choose the correct one according to the sentence. So let's start. The girl dash I met last night is a doctor. वो लड़की जिसे मैं पिछली रात मिला था एक डॉक्टर है. The girl dash. Now whom and who. You have to choose between whom and who. Who means कौन and whom means जिसको. Here the meaning will come जिसको. The girl whom I met. The girl whom I met last night is a doctor. Next is dash books are mine. So we are having option these and all. So we see that the correct option is these. These books are mine. ये पुस्तकें, ये books जो हैं वो मेरी हैं. These books are mine. The TV dash I purchased is defective. Now the options are whom and which. Now we see that TV is a non-living thing, so we will go with which. The TV which I purchased is defective. वो खराब है. At D part, the man dash helped you is my father. वो man जिसने आपकी हेल्प की थी मेरे फादर हैं. The man whom या who. Now the man who helped you. जिन्होंने तुम्हारी हेल्प की थी. The man who helped you is my father. Students, you have to choose the pronouns according to the appropriateness of the given sentences. So you have to judge which sentence or which word will come in which sentence. Next is dash is her lunch box. Now these. So we are having that lunch box singular. Noun is given here, so we can't go with these because it relates to plural one. So we will go with that. That is her lunch box. You will write it the word here, that. That is her lunch box. He gave me a pen. Dash was broken. He gave me a pen. Dash was broken. That. He gave me a pen. उसने मुझे एक पेन दिया था. That was broken. वो टूटा हुआ था. Next is dash was punished yesterday. Now whom and who. So who was punished yesterday? कल किसको सजा मिली थी? Who was punished yesterday? At number H we are having dash broke this glass. So who and which. We see that who broke this glass. यह ग्लास किसने तोड़ा है? Who broke this glass? We see Sunita went to dash house to take money. Sunita is a girl and we go with she and she से बन जाएगा her. Sunita went to dash house to take money. Sunita went to her house to take money. Next is he likes to do his work dash herself or himself. Now we are seeing that we are having he here, so he will go with himself and this pronoun is reflexive pronoun. He likes to do his work himself. Himself का मतलब है here self word relates to स्वयं, खुद करना. He likes to do his work himself. वो अपना काम खुद करना पसंद करता है. Our next exercise, complete the story by using suitable pronouns. Now this is a story of a animal donkey and we have to fill in the pronouns according to the story. So let's start. One day a donkey found a lion's skin. Dash put it on to फ्राइटन अवे द अदर बीस्ट। अब एक बार एक डोंकी को क्या मिला, उसे एक लायंस स्किन मिली, शेर की खाल मिली। सो ही पुट, अब यहाँ पर हम क्या लगाएंगे, ही पुट इट ऑन टू फ्राइटन अवे अदर्स बीस्ट, दूसरे जानवरों को डराने के लिए उसने वो पहन ली। व्हेन डैश ऑफ द एनिमल्स सॉ डैश, व्हेन डैश ऑफ द एनिमल्स सॉ डैश, व्हेन सम ऑफ द एनिमल्स, अब कहता है कि जब कुछ एनिमल्स ने, सम ऑफ द एनिमल्स, व्हेन सम ऑफ द एनिमल्स सॉ हिम, अब डोंकी के लिए हम बनाएंगे प्रोनाउन हिम। व्हेन सम ऑफ द एनिमल्स सॉ हिम, जब कुछ एनिमल्स ने उसको देखा था। डैश वॉज अफ्रेड सो डैश रैन अवे, सो जब उसे देखा तो वो क्या हो गए, फ्राइटन हो गए ना। सॉ हिम, he was afraid, he was afraid. Now we are adding up the pronoun he, because here singular verb is given, was is given. So he was afraid. Now this sentence is relating to the donkey. He was afraid, वो डर गया था। So he ran away, इसलिए वो भाग गया था। Just then a fox came nearby, तभी एक वहाँ पर fox आई। Dash looked at the animal carefully and thought, dash looked, now for fox we will go with the word he looked, we will add up the pronoun he here, he looked at the animal carefully and thought, अब fox ने उस animal को carefully देखा and thought, और सोचा, क्या सोचा, that it was a strange animal, ये तो एक बहुत ही strange सा animal है। Next we see he hid dash in a bush to find out what the animal was. So for fox we will go with the pronoun he. He hid himself. उसने खुद को छुपा लिया। So he से क्या बन जाएगा, reflexive pronoun himself. He hid himself in a bush to find out what the animal was. So when he was gone, the donkey, feeling very pleased with his performance, brayed loudly. तो अब जब सब चले गए तो डोंकी ने क्या किया, बहुत खुश हुआ अपनी परफॉर्मेंस पर और जोर जोर से ब्रे करना स्टार्ट कर दिया। द फॉक्स सून फाउंड आउट, अब फॉक्स ने क्या फाउंड आउट कर लिया था, डैश ही रियली वॉज, वॉट ही रियली वॉज, वो असलियत में कौन था, रियलिटी में वो कौन था। शी टोल्ड द ट्रूथ टू द अदर एनिमल्स, उसने वो सच दूसरे जानवरों को बता दिया। दे अटैक्ड, अब दूसरे अदर एनिमल्स के लिए द प्रोनाउन दैट वी यूज इज दे अटैक्ड डैश, दे अटैक्ड हिम किसके लिए यूज किया है, डोंकी के लिए। दे अटैक्ड हिम टुगेदर एंड किल्ड हिम, उन्होंने मिलकर उस पर अटैक कर दिया और उसे खत्म कर दिया। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज सी पार्ट वी आर हैविंग fill in the blanks using appropriate pronouns. Again we have to fill in the blanks, so let's go with the sentences. This is the boy dash stole my umbrella, यह वो लड़का है who stole my umbrella, जिसने मेरा अम्ब्रेला चुराया था। I can't give you this purse because it is not mine, मैं आपको यह पर्स नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि यह मेरा नहीं है, because it is not mine. I always performs dash duties very well. Sorry, he always performs his duty. He always performs his duties very well. वो हमेशा अपनी ड्यूटीज बहुत अच्छे से करता है। Next is Reena is doing dash work. She will play afterwards. Reena is doing her work. अब रीना गर्ल है तो गर्ल के लिए क्या आ जाएगा, हर। रीना इज डूइंग हर वर्क, रीना अपना काम कर रही है। आफ्टरवर्ड्स, उसके बाद वो प्ले करेगी। सो क्लास, दैट्स ऑल फॉर इन दिस वीडियो। नाउ we are going to sum up our video. I hope that these exercises are quite clear to you. Again, just while doing in your breviary, do it by your own for have good command on the topic. Thank you class for watching the video. Keep on learning. Good.